This is Code.org. I'm currently working on CS Fundamentals. This lesson is part of the CS Express course and part of Course C. In CS Express, it's lesson 26, and Course C, it's lesson 12. Build a Flappy Game Puzzle 5. Flappy will fly right through obstacles unless you write code to make him crash. Attach a block to the when hit an obstacle, so that's here, event, so that the game ends when Flappy crashes into the first set of pipes. Alright, so that's similar to when hit the ground, right? What happens if I hit the ground? Game ends. What happens when I hit an obstacle? We want the game to end. And then when I hit run, set the speed to normal, and when I click, I'll flap. Let's see. So far, so good. Oh, I'm supposed to hit it. Oh, I needed to hit it though. Whoops. Now I hit it. But awesome. Let's keep going.